Makeover. Yes, 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 yes. Gang, 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 gang. Anywho, don't look in her closet. I mean, y'all see it, but ooh, Chile. Look at her. Ooh, Chile. Anyhow, let's get started. Zoom out. It's really, really nice. The only thing, bed skirt for sure. And by the way, this I thought this was a duvet. So her duvet is under here and it's just white. You can't see it because of the way I folded it, but I thought it was a duvet cover and it's not. It was a whole comforter. So yeah, let me zoom back in. I love the different textures. I'm a texture person. I feel like even if your room is like monochrome or just like two colors, you can still make it interesting, going from the rugs texture to the comforter to the crochet. And then let me go over here to the waffle faux fur. Like, it's just so much texture going on. I absolutely love it. But now it's time to do the big stuff. So I wanted to just get these boxes out the way. Now I'm about to work on her desk area, nightstands, get that mirror on the wall, and also maybe her bookshelf area. And honestly, it's only 2 o'clock, so I probably could knock all of this out today because it's literally just her desk, 2 nightstands, mirror on the wall, curtains up, and the dresser. Don't mind all of that. I don't know what she was up here doing. The dresser, and then this is gonna be like a little book area. So yeah, about to get all into that. Show y'all the process of this because somebody she helped supposedly. So anywho, look at the cloud rug. It's so freaking cute. I love this, the shades of pink and cream and whatever else. Why the curtain look crooked? Probably means one side is falling. Day 1 progress. Tomorrow we will finish. Very nice. So what's left is her dresser is gonna go there. It's like a rattan dresser, soft tan brown, I believe. And then decoration, so light fixtures, vines, string lights, floating shelves, pictures and stuff like that. So yeah, that's what's going over here. And then I went ahead, took the curtains back down, added anchors, and then put them back up because they look like they were about to fall. So that's that. And then the bed is basically done. I mean, there's nothing else to do. Zoom out. Really cute. Gonna put a floating shelf above the bed, and then her nightstands need to be done tomorrow. And then over here is her desk. So I need to bring bins tomorrow to remember. I need to put that in my little, what is it called? My notes. Let me do that right now. Light bulbs, bins. Okay, because I have a whole bunch of cream bins from my inventory room. But over here is going to be her desk, which is going to have her study stuff and a little bit of like her lotions and all of that good stuff. Or she can have that on top of her dresser. And another nightstand over here. Now the only reason the bed is turned like this, by the way, it's a little mirror that's gonna go above the dresser, because I had the bed the long way, but I forgot she had 2 nightstands, so it only made sense to just turn it back this way so that it could be a nightstand on each side. But yeah, that's pretty much that. Really, really cute. So we are in day 2. And I actually brought over a few things I needed. I got some light bulbs for her lamps. Oh, don't mind my ginger ale and water. And then I propagated 2 plants for her. This is the Swiss cheese monstera. Mind you, my plants need to be watered. So yeah, it's interesting. So I'm not gonna leave that there. Probably somewhere on the shelf just for lighting purposes, but that's one. This is the one I had bought a while ago. Lost some of its leaves, but I'm pretty sure more plants or leaves and stuff will grow as long as she continues to water it. Like this one might fall off, but this one's still strong, so it's okay. And then I also propagated another one. Now when you do take these plants from soil to, this is a pothos, from soil to water, they do tend to look like they're dying, and then they come back to life and they thrive. So all she has to do is change the water a couple of times, well, once a week, and then It'll look like it's dying, then it'll come back like stronger than ever with a bunch of roots. So yeah. So cute.